Assalamu alaikum everyone, I hope you are fine. And today in this video we are going to be making wainscot stitch. For this we need 4 cast-ons, but over here I have done 8 because I want to repeat it 2 times. Interesting thing is that this pattern has only 1 row repeat. So what does it mean? One thing is that it's so easy that it is being made only on 4 stitches and it's repeated the same on both sides. So here we have knit 1. What is the pattern? I'm telling you. Then we have knit 2 and then we have knit 3 and purl the last one. So this is the design for this pattern. Now I'm going to add the stitch marker like this. I just slide it on, and now again, because I casted on 8 stitches because I wanted my work to be a little broader, and in that way it will be easy for you to see as well. So our first row is complete now. I'm going to turn it. You will not be able to see the design just now. After a few rows are done, then you will see how pretty this design is. So we are doing knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, stitch marker is getting in the way, and purl the 4th one, slide it here, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, purl the last one. So this is how you do it, and we are going to make a couple of more rows, not a couple, even more than a couple of rows, so that you can see this design. Let's do it once more. What we have done, we have knitted 3, so knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, then we purled the 4th one, then we slide the stitch marker, and we will repeat the same thing. Knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, and purl the next row. As I told you, this pattern is 1 row repeat. So 1 row repeat means that it is the same on both sides. So let's see after making a couple of rows how it looks. So I whisked up a couple of rows so that the pattern would be clear, and let me repeat it once more. And I have also removed the stitch marker. Knit 1, 2, 3, then purl 1, then knit 1 again, knit 2, 3, and then purl the last one. So this is it. If you see over here, I will place it here and show this to you. You can see a clear ridge running in the center. Also this last one is also a ridge, but because it's a end one, so it's not that much clear. And you can also see little cute waves in the pattern which go in this direction. These are the purls, between them are the knits. See, if I stretch them you can see it. So it's a very beautiful pattern, and it's suitable for boys sweaters, which are, or men's sweaters, whatever you want to call it. And even it's a beautiful design for making scarves. I hope you enjoyed this video and you are going to try it out. Thank you.